Hello students, today we are going to discuss the topic indentation. What is indentation? Indentation means arranging the paragraph or sentences between the two margins according to our need, or you can say placing the text according to our need. There are four kinds of indentation: left indentation, right indentation, first line indentation and hanging indentation. So here first of all we will be concentrating how to do it. For example, first line, here you can see this is the small this top button, this one, this is the first line indentation. Means if you want to only change the first line of the paragraph, then we have to use the first line indentation. First of all, let us just divide into different paragraphs. I am just giving space and dividing into different paragraphs so that it will be easy to understand. So for example, I am only selecting this paragraph. So what will happen if I will choose this? Then what will happen? You will see that only first line will be moved. Okay, can you see? Only first line is moving because we are using which indentation? We are using first line indentation. Okay. Now, after that we have hanging indentation. Hanging indentation means leaving the first line, other lines of the paragraph will be moved. For example, let me just show you. This upper one is the hanging indentation and the down one is your left indentation. So for hanging indentation we will place our cursor at this one, down one. So now click here and drag. Here you see, leaving the first line, the other lines are moving. Do you see? Do you see? The first line and other all the lines are moving. So we can place it according to our need. Okay. Now, what is the use of left indentation? Left indentation means both the paragraphs will move, both the lines will move. First and hanging both will move. So let's see. See, both are moving. Okay, both are moving. Okay, this is the left indentation. Now, similarly, right indentation means moving the word or giving the right margin. Okay, if you want to give right margin, then from here we can just click and drag. This is the right indentation. So I am just going to show you the four different kinds of indentation in each of the paragraphs. So let me just, where only the first line is moving, this is the first line indentation. Now let us just select this paragraph and use the hanging indentation. Here what we will see, only the first line is at its place and other sentences has been moved. So this is the hanging indentation. Okay. Now select this and see the right indentation. What happens in the right indentation? The complete paragraph moves. That is the right indentation, and this one goes for that one was for the left indentation and this one is for the right indentation. So this complete, like this it moves. So here are the four kinds of indentations which we have seen. So what were they? So this was our first line indentation, first line, okay, indentation. This is hanging indentation, this is left indentation and this is right indentation. So these are the four kinds of indentation which we can do in our MS Word documents. Basically it is up to us how we want to do. And for this there is another option also. We can go in home tab, and in the home tab when we will click on this paragraph setting, then here also we will see indentation, left indentation, right indentation. As we will increase or decrease the number, accordingly it will be changed. Okay, and here we will get the first line and hanging indentation. So basically those options are available here also. Line spacing, how we can give proper distance between the paragraphs. Okay, like this is a paragraph, I want to give, here I want to give the space, I want to increase this space. Increasing this space, okay, is known as line spacing, is known as what? Line spacing. So let us do it. How to do it? Let us erase it first. So what we will do, first of all we will select the text. I have just selected the text. Now we will go to home tab. After going on home tab, in the paragraph group, we will see here this option, line and paragraph spacing. As we will click here, we will get the options like 1.1 inch, 1.15, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3 inches. See, as the number is increasing, the distance between two lines are also increasing. So basically it is up to us how much distance we want to give. Okay, so by default 1.18 is the default space between lines. So here keeping it 1.15. okay, like this, normal. Thank you my dear children. I hope the indentation and line spacing will be clear to you. Thank you very much.